Yeah, I found the place.
Have a seat. You want a beer?
Yeah, sure.
Hey, 2 beers.
I was afraid you weren't going to come.
Well, I can't.
Getting nervous.
All right, relax. I'm here.
First, I've got to know that you're not going to tell anyone where you got this information. I want to make that clear. No names, right?
Hey, you can be sure I protect my sources.
You just never know who you can trust anymore. Have you noticed Tent City?
Sure, go ahead. Bunch of drunk scanners.
Yeah, but have you noticed anything about Tent City?
What should I have noticed?
That the people there now are not the same bums of yesterday. These are people, real people.
Sure, there are a lot of people living off the grid now.
Yeah, man, that's what I mean. These people are living offline. Offline. But why?
I don't know. People are different. Maybe they don't like the idea of being scanners.
Whatever. I mean, these people got up in the morning, went to work, came back to their houses. Then someone pushed them off the grid, and they end up in Tent City.
Wait a minute. What do you mean pushing them off?
Just what I said.
Who pushes them off? Who would do that? How can something like that happen? That could be all over that story.
And the press doesn't care about these people. The press will just fall for a lie like everyone else.
Well, how is it done? Is it the government?
I don't know all the details, but it's not just the government. It's the whole damn country. It's a collective groupthink. I mean, we all start thinking the same, and we all start acting the same, and we make up the rules, but we make them up as we go, and that's when monsters are born.
So what does the Department of Education have to do with all this?
I mean, that's the funny thing about all this, man. I mean, who is not for education, right? You say you don't want to give money to the Department of Education, and you're some kind of ogre. So it goes like this. All the Congress says, oh yes, I want to give more money for education. A whole new Department of Re-Education. I'll sign up for that. It'll make me look good with my home state if I do that. This will be a great way to help all those people who fell through the cracks. We re-educate them. And the public buys it. So they're buying into education. Education. When no one actually says this, who are we educating? I mean, what happens to the people who can't be educated?
What does happen to them?
That's the question, man. That is the question.
I don't know. This all sounds like science fiction, man. Do you have any proof? Any documents or anything?
Documents? No. No, I don't have any documents.
Well, I need more. Go public.
Hell no. I am no hero. I don't bother anyone, and no one bothers me.
Well, why tell me about it?
We all know when something's wrong, even if we lack the courage to stop it ourselves. I am telling you the truth.
Truth? What's truth? Just because you say it doesn't make it true. I need it written down. It doesn't mean anything. Get back to me when you got some real proof.
Sure. Hey, just remember, science fiction starts as one idea that one person can. One person can change the world, man.
Yeah.